Good morning, all of my grade 3 students. Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. Children, today we are going to start our first chapter of GK, My Country. Children, India is also known by the names Hindustan and Bharat. Here people belonging to different religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Christian live in harmony with each other. India has diversity in language, food, folk dance, clothes, cultures and traditions. That is why our country believes in unity in diversity. So children, in this chapter you will be able to understand about national symbols. You will be able to understand about different states and their food and dance. You will come to know about our the national animal tiger symbolizes power and displays the wildlife of India. The national flower lotus symbolizes purity, wealth, prosperity and fertility. The national tree banyan tree symbolizes eternal life. The country's unity is symbolized by the tree's huge structure and its deep roots. Indian rupee is the official currency of India. The national emblem of India depicts four lions standing back to back, symbolizing power, courage, pride and confidence. Let's go to our culture trip. At first, we will come to know about Punjab and Maharashtra. Dance and song require a lot of entertainment during festivals and celebrations in Punjab. Bhangra and Gidda are folk dances of Punjab. Chole Bhature is a distinct Punjabi variant dish of Punjabis. It is a combination of chana masala and bhatura, a fried bread made from maida. Now come to Maharashtra. Lavani is a combination of traditional song and dance of Maharashtra. Lavani is noted for its powerful rhythm. Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. Bharatnatyam is one of the oldest and traditional forms classical dance in India, mainly originated in the state of Tamil Nadu. The dance is accompanied by music and a singer. Bharatnatyam requires expressions, postures and rhythm. Dosa is a rice pancake originating from South India. Dosas are a typical part of diets throughout South India. Rajasthan. Ghumar is a very famous folk dance of Rajasthan, whereas dal bati churma, mainly prepared by different pulses, ghee and wheat, are very famous in Rajasthan. Famous Indian achievers. Children, our leaders had a vision. They wanted the people to excel in various fields and achieve success globally. We have so many Indian achievers that made our country proud, such as Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli was given Arjun Award, Padma Shri under the sports category in 2017, and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, the highest sporting honor in India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was an institution builder and a team leader who always favored. Many Indian cities are famous by their nicknames given to them, like Lucknow is known as the city of Nawabs. Darjeeling is famous as the Queen of Hills. Bokaro is known as the Steel City of India. Udaipur is famous as the City of Lakes. Allahabad is known as the City of Kumbh. So children, let's conclude our first chapter here. Hope you enjoyed this video and gathered a lots of interesting facts about our country, India. Till then, be safe. Take care. Bye.